friends, welcome back, or welcome if you're new. I'm Kristen and this is Cora Sue's Cozy Castle. Welcome, and I hope that you guys are having a beautiful day. Today I am deep cleaning my main living area. This is the first room you see when you come into my home, so I like to make sure it's always pretty picked up, but as I mentioned in previous videos, I am only 5'2", so I do not scrub all of the decor in the bookshelves, so it definitely needed to be done for the spring. I am using the Method Wood for Good cleaner. I love this. It's a very versatile cleaner. I have to pause for a second. My little baby Jensen needed me, so we took a break. Mommy love. But I love this cleaner. As I was saying, the Method Wood for Good. It just kind of cleans everything. I like the scent of it. I think it's an almond scent. I will link it down below, but I just love the way that it looks. Here on the mantle, I had my husband Jeff actually take that mirror. It probably weighs about 200 or so pounds. I had him remove that for me not too long ago, so I will not be cleaning that on the video because you guys don't want to see me drop the mirror and break it. So that's why I'm only just kind of surfacely cleaning the top of the mantle like that. But I will be replacing the flowers so I don't get too crazy with trying to wipe those down because spring is coming. I can't wait for my spring and decorate with me, so that is why I'm not wiping those down. So here, while I'm cleaning this, you guys are going to see my other little fur babies that left us in 2018. Margie is on the left-hand side. She was a full-size collie, just like Lassie. And then my sweet little Coach, who was the very first dog we got when we got married. He is a Shetland sheepdog, or Sheltie for short, and I miss them so much. My channel is named after my 5-pound dachshund, Cora Sue, and we got her before Margie and Coach passed away, but I just miss them so much. Anybody, can you relate? All right, moving on to the windows. I'm just doing a good dusting, and I will be using my spray foam window cleaner. I will link that down below, and I love my Swiffer. And again, I cannot reach the windows, so I'll be getting up on the step stool, but just getting everything nice and shiny. I will be doing a steam clean on the curtains. I do not want to wash those, so I will do that at a later time. Hey guys, so I just wanted to pop on here. Hope you're enjoying the video. So Jensen's been playing in here while I've been cleaning a little bit. He woke up from his nap before I finished filming, and so he's here with me now. He just wants some snuggles. We're taking a break, but I think reality, I need to pick up all the rest of the toys that are kind of just scattered all over the place before I finish with just a vacuum. And the deep clean that I would normally do that has already been done that wasn't filmed was about a month ago. We actually invested in a carpet cleaner. We got the Bissell Pet Pro, and I plan on using that in some of my future upcoming videos very shortly to show you guys what it's all about, but I absolutely love it. So the rug that is in the room that I'm deep cleaning, we have already carpet cleaned it, and it is a wool rug, so I don't want to do that too often, so I will not be carpet cleaning this rug. It's already been done. I also upholstery cleaned these yellow chairs that I'm sitting in, which are vintage chairs from the, I think 60s of my grandparents that I inherited, and I upholstery cleaned those as well, so they look way more bright. Oh, Jensen wants down. So those are things that I normally would do in a deep clean that you won't see in this video because they've already been completed. So I just kind of wanted to pop on here and tell you guys that. So now I'm just going to pick up all the clutter and give it a quick vacuum and fluff the pillows, and this room will be nice and spring cleaned. So I hope you guys are enjoying it. I had to leave that clip in there, guys. He was hysterical. I finally did get the toys picked up, but I did not actually get it done on camera. So I'm moving on. I'm vacuuming out all of the furniture pieces in this room, just giving it a nice deep clean, and that way I can just feel good about knowing that there's nothing hiding underneath all of the cushions. So that's what I'm doing now. So I am finishing up with vacuuming, and this room is going to be super shiny, but you know, I don't know about you, but there's always things that I forget, and I totally forgot to dust the fan and I completely forgot to mop the floor at the end. So I apologize for that, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you're well. I hope that anyone out there, if this video made you feel a little less lonely for the day, that it helped you feel like you had a friend. I hope that you guys take care and have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Much love. Bye.